John Cusimano's favorite pasta dish and turning it into a grilled cheese.
Carbonara!
I am making carbonara grilled cheese. Okay?
Yum!
So,
oh my God!
Very, very easy. All you need. Okay, so I pre-cooked the pancetta. I'm drained it on a paper towel. I'm leaving the oil in the pan because we're going to come back to it because we're going to cook this delicious sandwich in the pancetta oil. So,
Yum.
I'm going to take 2 eggs. 2 eggs. All right? 2 eggs. And then this is the easiest thing you're ever going to make, I think. So in this egg mixture, I'm going to add your basis for your carbonara. A cup of pecorino romano. I like pecorino romano. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Now, you could stop right here, and it's a cacio e pepe grilled cheese. And that would be just fine, too. But since we're going for it this New Year's Eve, we're going to make it carbonara by adding crispy pancetta. Oh,
that's my woman.
It smells good. Okay? Then, to my pancetta oil, I'm adding a little bit of EVOO. And then I'm going to dredge 2 pieces of bread. They're going to go for a beautiful little swim in this gooey, cheesy, pancetta-y, peppery. Okay, it's like
French toast.
Yeah, it's like bacon French toast. Okay. Then I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but we're gonna go like this: 2 pieces of thick or 3 pieces of fontina. I love fontina.
Wow,
you know what?
me
That's
too.
gonna be really cheesy. Now, then I'm gonna close it up, and then I'm gonna add more pancetta.
Oh my God!
And then listen for that beautiful sound. Okay. Okay. All right. Here we go. And I'm going to fry it. So what's great about it, like I said, it could be a cacio e pepe without the pancetta. It could be a carbonara. But what it is easy and simple and comfort and warming and happy, which is all the things we need this New Year's Eve more than ever. So it could absolutely just be a sandwich on its own, fine, eaten at any time. But, you know, I do like parties and gathering, and I like to take something and simple, make it special. So what you do after this is all gooey and you sit it aside, and if you can see over here, I've made 2. And how do you take a sandwich and turn it into a fancy hors d'oeuvre? Very easy. You cut it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it like this. We're going to do it. And one sandwich gives you 8 pieces of food, okay, that you could put on a little platter, and you take a sandwich and you turn it into a fancy little
Look at
hors d'oeuvre.
that. This whole tray.
What a tray.
Chicken pot pies, mac and cheese, pastrami on rye. Lasagna bites. And of course, her signature pigs in a blanket and a beet.
Yep.
That's a beet thing over there.
Beet thing.
You can't beat her. My dear friend, Mary Giuliani, sent us all of this. I mean, talk about New Year's Eve.
In a box.
In a box. What? Mary is joining us from her kitchen.
If I can't be in your kitchen, I have to at least send my treats into your kitchen. I want to bring my little bites from my heart into your home. And so what I did was I put together all of my greatest hits into one box. They're heat and serve. They literally come out of the oven. I just wanted to keep this holiday season as simple for everyone as possible, and no better way than just taking a tray of food out, putting it in the oven. You can enjoy more time with the people that you love. You can make your Zooms more exciting. You could just be together and not worry about cooking.